All right guys, in this one I'm going to be showing you how to frame out and picture frame in a open-ended staircase, little fun vibe deck. So you'll want to get your box frame or your rim joist, frame it all out, put all your joists in at one time. Then I put a whole bunch of little boxes together to create an open-ended staircase at 45s on the way down. Then I put all my decking in. I like to split my picture framed deck at the top, so I put two little border pieces in the middle to separate it, to basically make two little separate picture framed boxes in on the deck. Then you just start 45 in around all your edges, then 45 the rest of your pieces and put them inside that. Add your little end pieces as well, 45 those, make sure they're all square. And really this is the funnest part of the whole project, is when you get to the decking and all the little finish trim and putting together all the 45s. And there you go. Fun little vibe deck. I thought it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you think.